Welcome to the Crypto Nest. So ICP, actually we're going to get soon some invalidation points, so I can exclude or invalidate one type of counting. I will show you shortly. So the only thing I wanted to show is the RSI. So we're still in decline with the RSI. It actually does fit, with the RSI. If I say that this was a wave 1, you see, RSI was higher. The highest RSI that I had was for the wave 3. And then this is the 5th wave, which, even though we did a higher price, we didn't do a higher RSI value. And now it's going lower. But the problem now is that it's dropping like dead. It's too fast, and it would have been a deal discount, but we should have done this A, B, and a C, and now we're just doing this right away. So it's still possible, but it does happen, it does occur. It's not rare, it does happen, but not that often, but he can do that. But now, okay, here are the situation now. The yellow count is for the moment, I would say that the more the one that I prefer, let's say. But honestly, I'm giving now maybe 40% that this yellow count is valid anymore, because it did went too low, and then if Bitcoin only did the 3rd wave, it's going to have a rally for the 4th, and then the 5th one is going to drag ICP more likely even lower. And then if we go lower, then let me see what's the level here. Actually, it's just here. So if it goes lower than $4.42, this start to be unlikely, this wave count. And then I have a backup count, the blue count. So that this was the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we did an A overshooting very rare wave B, and now this is the C. This is the only scenario that allowed me to go that low, and I think yeah, it was kind of amazing. So if I calculate this, the beginning of the wave A, and this is the end. Let me scale in a little bit more. So try to be the more precise I can. Default. So I think we're doing the 2.618 or almost. This is like a very, very rare that it can occur, but yeah, for a wave B to reach almost the 2.618, and that's the maximum a wave B, an overshooting wave B can reach. So okay, so these are the invalidation points. So if ICP goes lower than $4.42, then I'm going to invalidate this yellow count, and then I'm going to keep this blue count as a last resort. And if it drops below $4, then I would say this coin, it will not reverse and will keep going lower, and it's going to go and continue to go lower. As I said before, this is very, very risky chart, and the problem with these charts is like when they get manipulated at the beginning of the life of the coin, because it got manipulated big time. The financial institution, because let's be honest, it's like I am not pushing up the price. If someone has to get in, like an investor, and then he's going to invest as much money to try to push the price higher. Retailers, we can do that for a little bit, but we cannot. We don't have the same impact of I would say almost a trust fund investment, or even swing trading. So, but when you lose the confidence of of a chart, then it's going to be unlikely that people will go and then use it to trade, and that's how a coin can die, even though the technology it's looks like it's amazing. All right, so I would say be aware of this situation. If we drop below below 442, we have another way to count that give us a chance up to $4. Below that, yeah, it's going to look very bad, and honestly, I didn't invest anything in ICP yet because I want to see something more bullish, and I want to see the coin regain some momentum first of all, and then regain some levels before I consider to invest. All right, so this is pretty much all for ICP for the moment. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a nice weekend.